So I'm down to my last cinematic camera, the Xiaomi Y1 Lite. So I bought myself a refurbished Hero 6 Black. So that came in the mail last week in this packaging. So the way I've been running the Y1 Lite is in a foam box like this with a sunglass lens and ND filter, and I've got a little bit of tape around the lens to stop it rubbing against the back of the lens to avoid any scratching. So learning from all that, as soon as the GoPro came, I did a similar thing. I put some tape around it, even though it's got a removable cover over the lens, and this time I've just used a bit of transparent plastic for the protector. So that's the setup I've been flying and testing, and so far I'm very happy with the results. So I've got a lot of different settings to try on the GoPro Hero Black, so I thought I'd start off with my familiar 1080p at 60 frames per second. I'm running Super View and I've got EIS on, so I'm just sort of starting out with what I normally have on the Y1 Lite. And straight away, of course, the Super View, it's quite interesting. You get the motors in the view, which doesn't particularly faze me, and you get an interesting effect where it's reasonably linear in the middle and then curves out as you go out the side. So it looks alright, but I thought my next test I'll put it in linear mode so I get a better comparison to the standard way around the Y1. So that was test one at an oval, slightly overcast. So I thought on another day with a bit of sunshine I'd go out and do a bit more testing. So the following day it was some patchy cloud but generally brighter. So I went out to another location and flew with the Bugs 3 with the White Snake, Eachine White Snake FPV camera in this one. And this first flight I was running pointy nose Ferrari red props that vibrate a little bit, and I could see the vibration on the FPV camera, so I brought it down fairly quickly. But so far, at least in the edit, it looks as if the vibration is ironed out nicely with the GoPro with its EIS. So it looks as if the EIS is better than that on the Y1, and then you expect that from a camera that costs 3 or 4 times more. But I quite like these props. Apart from the fine vibration, they handle well, they claw the sky, and I can turn faster with them. So if I can use them for cinematic, I'll be wrapped. So this time I'm back to my trusty bullnose Gemfan pops, and straight away I can see the difference in smoothness on the FPV cam, and of course it looks great with the Hero. So this is the last test of the day, so I'll just let this run for a while. So overall I'm very happy with the purchase. It's just refurbished, it's 2 to 3 year old camera, so the price has come down to something that I regard as more reasonable for what I get, and I'm looking forward to doing more with it. Interesting day at the park. There were a couple of other guys operating with a Wizard, Eachine Wizard, and also a Mavic Pro. Have a look at me. So I went and had a chat with the guys after I finished flying. So it's nice to see other flyers out in a day like this. It all adds to the experience. So I'll leave you with it, and happy flying.